Soligenix is a late-stage biopharmaceutical company committed to developing and commercializing products to treat rare diseases where there is an unmet medical need. Hi, I'm Carrie Corbett, here with a CEO 360 Investors Update. Joining us today is Dr. Christopher Schaber, CEO of Soligenix. Chris, it's great to have you here.
Thank you for having me, Carrie.
Soligenix recently completed patient enrollment in a clinical trial. Can you tell us about that?
Sure. This is a pivotal phase 3 study, which is the studies that typically support a filing with the FDA. The particular program that we announced just the other day was in cutaneous T-cell lymphoma, where we completed enrollment in this phase 3 study and expect top-line results in the first quarter of next year, 2020.
And you also have a second program entering phase 3 trials. Can you shed some light on that for us?
Of course. That is a separate molecule in another pivotal phase 3 study to support potential filing, where we are developing this particular molecule in the indication oral mucositis in patients with head and neck cancer receiving chemoradiation therapy. This pivotal study is enrolling, where we expect to complete that enrollment in the first quarter of next year, about the same time that we'll be announcing the top-line results in the cutaneous T-cell lymphoma. But this study will report its top-line results in the second quarter of next year, the second quarter of 2020.
Chris, before you go, Soligenix also has a public health solutions pipeline. Why is that so significant to investors?
Well, I think the most important thing there to note is that it is another segment of our business. The phase 3 studies I spoke of are on our specialized biotherapeutics business segment. The public health solutions is a separate segment that has very interesting technology funded entirely by the U.S. government. Currently, we're operating with grants and contracts of up to $28 million there, led by our heat-stable ricin toxin vaccine, another program earlier than the phase 3 studies. And what that funding, government funding, has allowed us to do is not only move forward very good technology, but really manage our cash burn a lot more effectively than you would typically see for a company our size.